Hello everyone, Jai Sri Ram Ji ki, Jai Sri Ram. So right now I am in Kanak Bhavan, which is one of the most popular palace in Ayodhya. So let's see the view of the Kanak Bhavan. Really it's a very unique and amazing palace in Ayodhya, and we can see how the beauty of this Kanak Bhavan is looking. So there is no explanation regarding the palace Kanak Bhavan, and many more visitors and tourists and devotees and pilgrims are coming to visit this temple, which is located in Ayodhya only just behind the Dashrath Mahal and Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Mahal along with the Hanuman Garhi temple. So bolo Bajrang Bali ki Jai, Jai Shiv Shankar, Jai Bholenath and Jai Sri Ram, Jai Sri Krishna. So let's see and bolo Jai Sri Ram. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. So बोलो जय शिव शंकर, जय महाबजरंग बली की जय, जय श्री राम.
So before that I took the place and seek of Lord Hanuman in Hanuman Garhi temple. Then I visited to the Ayodhya Ram Janmabhoomi temple, which is the main shrine which is recently established, because first to taking the place of Lord Sri Ram in Janmabhoomi temple, we have to take the place of Hanuman in Hanuman Garhi temple, which is also one of the ancient temples there. So and then Kanak Bhavan, which is located just after the Dashrath Mahal, which is also located between the way of Hanuman Garhi temple to Sri Ram Janmabhoomi temple. So I am going to show and in details and saying and explaining something about the Kanak Bhavan. So bolo Siyavar Ramchandra ki jai, Jai Siya Ram ji ki. So we know very well that right now I am just outside from the main palace of Kanak Bhavan, which is also called as a Golden Palace. So many more devotees recently, just right now the temple is opened at 3 p.m. and I am waiting here because there is a lots of crowd to go inside the temple. So I am waiting here and right now I am comfortable to go inside the temple. So I am starting my journey to go inside the temple. So it is a very big and most popular temple in Ayodhya also. So I am going to say and explain something. So first I am going in this side. Is also some temple is there in outside. Let's see, there is one temple also here and another temple is also located here in outside. So first I am exploring the outside because it is also in boundary. This is the campus and complex of the Kanak Bhavan only. So this is also one of the temples, Sri Darbar Sri Lal Sahab, but still this temple did not open. So still devotees are waiting to open for this temple. So this is the view of Kanak Bhavan from the outside, from the boundary and complex. So these are the some policemen who are also serving inside this temple their duty, and let's see how the crowd, just still some crowds of devotees are going inside the temple. So right now I'm also planning to go there. So even it is built in very big area. We can see the temple is also very big, and this is also one of the most beautiful temple and palace of Kanak Bhavan, which is located just in northeast of the Ram Janmabhoomi temple. So even Kanak Bhavan, that is also called as a Golden Palace, is a temple in Ram Janmabhoomi Ayodhya, which is in the northeast of the Ram Court, and it is one of the most famous temple of Ram Court in Ayodhya, and it is believed that this palace was gifted by Mata Kaikeyi immediately after the Marriage of Rama with Sita, which was held in Janakpur, that is in present time located in Nepal, that was a part of the Mithilanchal. So even it is their personal palace of Ram and Sita. So according to mythology, after the original Kanak Bhavan was damaged, it was built so many times. So the first reconstruction was done by the Rama's son Kush and Law in early period of the Treta Yuga and last end of the Dwapar Yuga, and after this it was rebuilt by the Krishna, and then it was also built and rebuilt by the king Rishabh Dev, who was the first Tirthakar of Jain, because of the Ayodhya is also the birthplace of the Jain also. I think 5 Tirthakar of Jain who was born in Ayodhya itself only. So it is also one of the most holy place for Jainism also. So after that in middle of Dwapar Yuga it was built by the Rishabh Dev, and then Sri Krishna also visited and rebuilt in pre-Kal Yuga period after the Dwapar Yuga about 614 BC. So the current present architectures of this temple resembles the palace of Rajasthan and Bundelkhand. So in present era it was first built by the Chandragupta II of the Gupta Empire in Yudhishthir period in 2431 BC, and after that the temple was destroyed by Nawab Salar Jung to Ghazi in 1027 AD, and then it was renovated by the Bundel Rajput Maharaj of Orchha and Tikamgarh of Bundelkhand, Maharaja Mahendra Pratap Singh and his wife Maharani Birishabh Bhan Kumari in 1891. So because of the Bundelkhand king, the architecture of this temple resembles the palace of Rajasthan and Bundelkhand, so which is still present today. So the large statue was installed by the Maharani Birishabh Bhan Kumari of Rama and Sita idol inside the temple, that is a very tallest, and after that the second statue of lower height of Rama and Sita installed on the right side by the king Vikramaditya, and the third and the smallest idol of Sita and Ram said to have gifted by the Sri Krishna to female devotee who was worshipping Rama at this palace. So all the time of constructions of present temple, all 3 pairs of were incident in the Sanctum Sanctorum, and now all 3 pairs of Siya Ram idol can be seen in Kanak Bhavan Palace. So we can see in this time lots of devotees are chanting the holy name of Siya Ram. So let's chant together with me, Siya Ram, Siya Ram, Siya Ram Ji ki Jai, and let's feel the vibes of this chant of Siya Ram in this temple this time. So I am also feeling so better and feeling so relaxed after coming inside this temple, because of the Lord Sri Ram and Siya names, that is a very holy and sacred name of Lord Ram and Siya. Because someone says that Ram se bada koi naam nahi. So Ram name is always greater than from everything. Ram se bada koi naam nahi. So take always and used to take the name of Lord Ram at every places and anywhere. So Siyavar Ramchandra ki Jai. And the first time this temple was built by the king Vikramaditya along with the Ram Janmabhoomi temple also, who introduced the Vikram Samvat in 55 BC over the victory of Saka ruler, who introduced the Sak Samvat. So let's see and chant together with me the Hari name, Hari Nama. because Hari is greater than, and our Hari is a Ram and Krishna. So chant together with me. So this is the time of Aarti, Sandhya Aarti during the evening time. So just feel the bell sound during the evening Sandhya Aarti timing. I am also feeling so better and motivated here after coming in this temple. So we can see the Siyaram idol is also visible from here. So just pray to the goddess Sita and Sri Ram. And बोलो सियावर रामचंद्र की जय. So always chant सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, जय सिया राम जी की, जय सिया राम जी की, जय सीताराम, जय सीताराम, जय सीताराम, जय सीताराम, जय सीताराम, जय सीताराम. And also I have to still visit. There is one temple also which is one of the most popular temple in Ayodhya also, which is called as a manifestation of the Sri Krishna, who was born in Chapiya Dham, which is located in Gonda district, 40 to 60 km away from the Ayodhya, who left his home at the age of 11 and who traveled across all over Indian subcontinent along with the Tibet, Nepal and all over South Indian state places. So and that the legendary person name was Nilkanth Barni, who was born as a Ghanshyam Pandey in Chapiya village, who left his home and then traveled across our country, and then first he came in Ayodhya, settled in Ayodhya after the Chapiya Dham along with his father and parents. And so I have to visit the Sri Swaminarayan temple, which is also located in Ayodhya only, just behind and opposite of railway station Ayodhya Dham junction, because he resides here after Chapiya Dham along with his family, and he left the world and materialistic world from Ayodhya only during the Asar month in the rainy season, and then he traveled across Indian subcontinent such as the Kedarnath, Badrinath, Tungnath and Mansarovar, Kailash, Gupta Prayag, Dev Prayag, Nand Prayag, Puri Jagannath. And then he also visited Mathura, Vrindavan, Dwarika, Somnath, and mostly he spent his time in Gujarat, and he found the Bab Sri Swaminarayan temple, which is one of the most beautiful temple in the world, including Gujarat, and Akshardham temple in Delhi, and Akshardham temple which is also located in Gandhinagar and Ahmedabad. The first Akshardham temple, which is dedicated to Swaminarayan as a Nilkanth Barni and Ghanshyam Pandey. Because of the Nilkanth Barni childhood name was a Ghanshyam Pandey, who was born after that the name was given by his parents as a Ghanshyam Pandey. Then he left his home and adopt the name of Nilkanth Barni as a travel name, and then he become as a Narayan Swami by his spiritual guru in Gujarat. So I have to also visit the Swaminarayan temple. Shortly I will go there. So chant together with me the holy name of Siyavar Ramchandra ki jai always. So I hope all who likes my video. Yes, and after this Kanak Bhavan, I will also show the content of the Dashrath Mahal also, which is one of the most popular palace and temple in Ayodhya also. So once again, and let's see, this is the our cow Gau Mata, which is also just standing below the Kanak Bhavan temple, where I am coming by stairs here. So I got the place of Gau Mata also here, and lots of devotees are also taking the place of Gau Mata here out of the Kanak Bhavan palace. So एक बार गौ माता को भी प्रणाम, and chant together with me the holy name of Lord Ram. Jai Siya Ram, Siyavar Ramchandra ki jai, Jai Gau Mata. So once again, thank you so much, and Siyavar Ramchandra ki jai, Jai Siya Ram, Jai Bajrangbali.